Raquel Sims again from Pinkwall. Tuana, Catherine, Sue Elia, Gidia, Lovable, Braver. Make I tell you something. Me na ask uno. Me na look uno. And me who do want uno. Especially the Tuama and the Raquel. Let me tell you something. When you have a fast blood clot pussy, cause guess what, Nana? You can't have one man. One man that stay with them can pussy fast. Yeah, that me I tell you now. One man can't stay with them can pussy fast. But that's me have me know me have a little teeny inty nice vagina. It look at the twat. See cut me get here so. See blood clot cut. From my virginity teeth till it white. Yeah? So you can go and talk about Pinkwall, my love. Cause me na blood clot response, me don't talk me want say. And me can't talk it again. Junior blood clot read. But they are Jamaica where they have Barbican. If you want to fuck my sister, don't call up my name. Don't call up my blood clot name and I try to come on. Go after you in the gully. Go Africa and looking some nice part of the gully, they come never go in the gully yet. Go the gully man, can enough man dead and I use my name for pass. Junior Reed, don't use my name for pass, cause my mother not like my mother sick, she not blood clot. Me not know what my sister do with you. You look at them big blood clot, big barrel, when have them big blood clot, pussy upon them, when water touch them, you know the cardboard body, when water touch them, then swell, are you that? Tuana. From Pinkwall, you want some blood clot air freshener all over. Me don't know if you work at airport, me don't know if you have enough line, school line, principal line, me don't know which part you work, but you have enough baggage to carry. Your person sink, not thinking of sink. Yeah, when me baby, me stand up under the shower and water run down in my vagina. But when you have to go in the water, them big ocean for bathe. Now look at me, you have to go in the water, ocean for go bathe. Someone them post back this over Pinkwall. For only know say, this a blood clot, ugly sitting here and I have nothing good to come out of it mouth. Me not it mouth, as some name, it. Me a it so that. Yes. And me want proud gay. I'm proud blood clot gay. Lift my head blood clot eye. Proud gay. I see this and I fast teeth. Real teeth. Because guess when I mess up enough wood, say the ear scrub off the rust them off of my teeth. Only can't show funny teeth because guess when I not get no wood suck. Cause a man na want uno put food in the mouth pan them cocky cause it that condemn the blood clots. And that me I tell you now. My nice tight vagina. It teeth to the tweets. Yeah? So me tell you something now. Post this over blood clot Pinkwall, cause me not really response. Me I go there from birth. Man say they love me, but me don't know man say no one, cause you have fast vagina, you can't keep one man. You can't keep one man. No, because your vagina sick. That is me thinking of sick. Me not eat no in me sick, so no come dead. When I dead people, a 6 man carry no one. Me not eat no me sick, so no. When if you have blood clot, done out. Yeah, done out. Done out. Yeah, and my sister, me and you, me soon do a blood clot like for you, carrying foot. My sister, you too out of order. After you cuss my mother, and make my mother have nervous breakdown, you go walk and tell the people them say my mother mad. Me iggy. My mother say must cuss no me a cuss no blood clot. Me ignorant for you. Me ignorant you dirty man. Me ignorant. And I talk about my mother mad. And you come out of my mother pussy? Hey girl, go run up back in that. Cause a good man you come from. Where? Your man we are large. Turn your blood clot man for your family them. Me just start and me no response, me just start the blood clot shoot and I me that. So who not like it, guess or not? It's my black wear ass. Me can go up on Facebook and show them something because Facebook will block me. Facebook will block me. I want and go run up and then to the mother. Go lava juice in the mother. I said, I done piss out of my nice vagina and done shit. I was like, a little and suck it up. Because me name and me name not change. So who don't like it when the Jamaican will beg? Kiss me ass, because I never work with no blood clot government company with a siren, a wah in my ears. Because I don't know. When they look at the people on Facebook, friend them, and when they see they're foreign, they first sing, wah. When the blood clot siren, you know. Where?